Hi, my name's Josh from Chester Peugeot, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used vehicle. This is a Ford Fiesta 1.0T Turbo EcoBoost ST Line X. The petrol engine comes with a manual transmission and has done just 23,600 miles. The black body paint is nicely complemented by the rear and tailgate privacy windows and the rear body coloured spoiler. To the rear of the vehicle, we have the LED night signature lights. The boot space is an excellent size and is perfect for all of your day-to-day journeys. The 17-inch ST Line 5-spoke alloy wheels really help finish the exterior look of the vehicle. The halogen headlights are accompanied by the daytime running lights, which not only look great but help keep you seen on the road. This Fiesta also has the unique ST Line upper grille and full body styling with ST Line badging. The rear seats feature the red stitch detail. They have two ISOFIX points, manual windows, storage in the back of the front seats and centre console. Moving into the front of the vehicle, we're greeted by the steering wheel with fingertip controls, the gloss black surround centre console and dashboard, and the excellent sport style front seats really help give you that sporty feel. The fingertip controls on the steering wheel allow you to easily control the car's functions. The dash features traditional speedometer and rev counter and also has a 4.2-inch instrument cluster screen. These features include navigation, driving lane assist, the My View, trip computers, vehicle settings and telephone connection. Our centre console includes an easy-to-use climate control. Moving further down, you have a smartphone charging plate, 12-volt charging and USB connectivity. Further back we have our gear shift, handbrake, cup holders and further storage under the armrest. For more information or to book a test drive, please call 01244 398 600 or alternatively inquire online now.